guys, welcome back to our channel. So Keyondra and I have recently come back home from filming episode 20 of Vlogmas, and I have lost track of what Living Noire number it is, but we filmed Living Noire at Cafe Mozart. So we filmed that, and we also went to Nordstrom to kind of walk around. The mall closed at 7 tonight. So we went to go walk around. I think we had like about an hour to walk around. So while we were in Nordstrom, I saw that they had headbands at Nordstrom, and so I purchased some. I think I saw these online, but I also think I saw one in the Phipps Plaza, and I was like, I don't know, because you guys know I was looking at I had the H&M ones. They were breaking. I did purchase more H&M ones, so these are the ones from H&M. I have this kind of like tortoisey kind of situation for this one. Y'all know this is, well, I don't know if you know this or not, but this is my favorite one. I just really like this particular print, or like this style. And then just a regular black one for when I just want to do a black one. They are like thin, so I do like a thinner headband. So these are the ones from H&M, and I got the same kind basically from Nordstrom. They're just a better quality and better color. So this is the tortoisey one from Nordstrom, and it has the two combs. So like if you can see that comb here and a comb here. These are by France Lux, I think is what it's called. I think that's the brand. Yeah, so, and it says handmade in France. They're really nice quality. They're thicker, and the material just feels better. They're slightly thicker in size than the ones at H&M. And you see how much brighter this one is? Just a better look, and it just, the color is a little bit better. I do still like the darkness of this one, and so I'll still wear this one too. But I did want these that looked like this. My favorite part about the H&M ones is the comb goes all the way around, and these, so you only get tension like right here, but whereas with the H&M ones you get tension the whole way through. I love that. But I love the quality, the feel. I don't think these are gonna give me as hard of a time with like breaking and stuff like that. So I'm excited about that. So these are the headbands. These are both of them side by side. They're about the same size too. So yeah.
It is Monday morning, and I am up cleaning my makeup brushes and getting myself together to get out of here tomorrow. Our flight leaves, I think at 5 in the morning. I usually like to pack like a day or so before it's time to like get out of here. But because we've been so busy, I've not really had enough time to, you know, get like going with my packing and stuff, and I've just really not felt like it, honestly, you know. With all the things that we're doing, then having to do that, it's like, okay, no, something gotta give, something has to wait. And the packing was the thing that waited before the day, rather before we leave. So I cleaned my makeup bag. When we were out of town last month for Thanksgiving, I went to Target to get a makeup bag, and let me show you. I think I showed you guys, but I don't know, maybe I didn't. But for those of you who are new, hey, how y'all doing? I'm gonna show y'all my makeup bag, and I cleaned it out. I just got a wipe, hold on, just a antibacterial wipe, and wiped it down. I had like this, I don't know if it was foundation or concealer, but I had a smudge here, wiped it out, had a couple of smudges on top of my bag as well, wiped this off, and then just got a paper towel and wiped it dry, and it looks brand new. Yeah, I didn't want to leave here with my bag smudgy or whatever. I don't want to pack my bag and it be dirty. This bag is by Sonia Kusha. It's clear, okay? I like that it's kind of like almost like a sepia brownish color tint as well. And then I like this part as well. Nice material, nice zipper. It's a really nice bag. So what I'm taking with me on this trip is my Lancome foundation. Okay, taking this with me. And then I am also taking my Panorama by L'Oreal. It's the voluminous mascara. I am also taking my e.l.f. Spray, and that's gonna go on top of the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Spray this one first, and then the e.l.f. second. This is first so that I don't have any smudges from my glasses, and then the e.l.f. is just like that extra layer of protection. Then I am taking my Clinique Beyond Perfecting concealer. And then I'm gonna take this to my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all, this is so bomb. If I don't find this anywhere, like if it's discontinued or whatever, I'm gonna be so mad because I've been rocking with that for years, okay, for years. And I don't want to let go of that because the little tip with the applicator is so easy to like do my brows and line them, or rather I lined them with this pencil. This is by Benefit, and this is the smaller pencil. It's the smaller one, and I usually get the one with the spoolie on the end, but I think this is what they had at Sephora that day when I went and got it. But I have the Morphe brush collection, and I have a spoolie in this collection, so it's not that big of a deal at all. And yeah, so this is my makeup bag and the things in it that I'm taking. And I also have my Juvia's Place palette as well, the bronzer and blush. So here are my brushes, okay? This contraption here, we got it from Amazon. I'm gonna try and see if I can link it below, but it is so bomb. Now let me tell you something. I am kind of mad about it because this does not work. It does not power on. Don't like that. Doesn't power on, but there's this little thing inside here. Let's see if you guys can, I don't know if y'all can see that. But this little thing, I would take this off, but my brushes are drying. This little thing here, all you do, put water in it. So of course it says here, this is max. So you fill it up to here. And then you put a little bit of soap in here. I usually use dish soap. And then you start like just twirling the brushes in the water, and the gunk, old makeup, all of that, it just comes flooding off of the brushes, okay? So this is really good though. And then you take the top and you put your brushes in here, and this is how they dry. So I think that you guys should invest in this. Really an investment. I think it was like maybe $10, $15, maybe. So right quick, I'm gonna show you all my toiletry bag. It's by a brand called Ichi on Amazon. I saw this girl doing a pack my bag with me, and she also packed her toiletry bag, and it was so cute. I love how it zips and closes and opens, but let me show you. Okay, so this is the bag here, okay? Super cute. It fits nicely into my suitcase, and then it zips here, okay, and then opens like this, okay? And so this is Bag isn't fully packed. I still have a couple of other things I need to put in here as well. But other than that, I am pretty much packed. My brushes just need to dry. And I'm gonna put those in my what's the name bag. And then my clothes are hanging on our tree rack. And I am going to let those continue to dry for the rest of the day. And then I'll pack those into my bag. And then I am ready. Oh, I also have to wash my hair. I was supposed to wash it on Sunday, but because of our busy schedule, getting videos out, all those things, child, I gotta wash my hair today. So I will be washing my hair today and walking around here trying to make sure that it air dries, because yeah, I can't walk around with sweaty, hot, wet roots. I don't like that. Y'all, thank you so much for watching our vlogs for Vlogmas. We are just so thrilled that this month ended up turning out, you know, really good. It was like a close call, almost like a couple of vlogs. It was just like, I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this. But we ended up doing it, and we're so grateful to God, because this is work. This is work for JolieNoire, and we're a part of the work that we do. And to have the strength to be able to do it, God is good, okay? So yeah, about to go and finish doing a couple of things around the house, and then yeah, we'll be heading out in some hours.
Just saw me packing, and so that's everything, or just about everything. I still have to pack my hot tools, my comb, so stuff for my hair. So I might take my Marc Jacobs bag instead of taking like another, like a carry-on bag or something, like a bigger carry-on bag. I think I can manage that through the airport. I don't want to really take another bag, but I think I might have to, especially since some gifts are in my suitcase. Now when I come back, that won't probably be the same case, but I'll have the other bag anyways. But yeah, so now I think we are about to do some more content for something else, and then we have another vlog that we have to record, and then we are up and away in the air. Oh wait, I have to color my hair before we go. I was almost considering not doing that because I don't even feel like flat ironing my hair, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I really want black hair for the holiday. So yeah, so you guys know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone and everyone that you love. Bye guys.